Hey everyone, if you're a Sony user and you're looking for a wide-angle prime lens that's fast, compact, and delivers incredible results, you have to see this VILTROX 15mm f1.7. And I've been using it on my a6 400 for everything from my product review videos and product photography to vlogging, and it has been absolutely fantastic. The first thing you'll love is just how incredibly lightweight and compact it is. It weighs only about 200 grams, so it perfectly balances on the a6 400, and it's a setup I can carry all day without my wrist getting tired. The 15mm focal length is that perfect ultra-wide perspective for vlogging, giving you a great view of your surroundings without being distorted. But the picture quality is where I was really blown away. That super fast f1.7 aperture is a dream for low-light situations. I can get clean, crisp, and vibrant footage without having to crank up my ISO. And for my product photography, that wide aperture creates that beautiful, creamy background blur that makes the subject just pop and look so professional. The autofocus is another huge win. The STM motor is incredibly fast and quiet, and it works seamlessly with Sony's real-time eye and face tracking. It just locks onto my face instantly when I'm vlogging, so I never have to worry about being out of focus. I also really appreciate the small details, like the convenient USB-C port right on the lens mount for easy firmware updates. If I had to give one little heads up, it's that this is a prime lens, so there's no zoom. You have to zoom with your feet, but for the sharpness, compact size, and incredible low-light performance you get, it is a trade-off that is 100% worth it. My final verdict? I am absolutely loving this lens. If you're a vlogger or a content creator looking for a high-quality, budget-friendly, ultra-wide prime that's durable, fast, and fun to use, I can't recommend the VILTROX 15mm enough. It has become an essential part of my kit.